Hi everybody, today it's a beautiful day. I'm going to try out a recipe I found on Pinterest, and it was posted by one of my co-workers, so I'm not going to say her name because I'm not real sure she would want me to. I don't know. But anyway, I'll show you what I already prepped. I have chopped red onions, green onions. I have to make a cup of orzo. I still got to drain my artichoke hearts. And now, that's the water for the orzo. And then I'm modifying her recipe. I'm sauteing some asparagus and some red peppers. Alright, I'll show you when I'm ready for the next step. Alright, so I've got olive oil in there. I'm making the dressing now. Some sea salt in there. Lemon juice. Seeds. And then I put this in the sink, and when I'm done I scrub the sink and it makes it all smell good. Okay, the other half. So I added in black pepper, and now I've got parsley that I dried last year. I always re-crush it before I use it. Okay, I'm going to let that sit for a bit. I actually forgot garlic. So I'm going to put in my garlic now. Now I'm going to let that sit. That can rest. Check my orzo. See, that's getting nice. Just going to turn those off. Orzo. Remember, orzo's like pasta. Little tiny pasta, see? Artichokes are draining, and I'm going to chop those up so that I can strain my pasta in the same strainer. Alright, so there's my orzo straining. I put the artichoke hearts in the bowl. Pour in my orzo. That was awfully close, huh? My onions. Stir that up a bit. Now I'm using the red peppers because that's what I have. I don't have any sun-dried tomatoes, so that's why I'm also using the asparagus. Now, you can add a lot more vegetables, so the next time I make this I would add a lot more vegetables. Whatever kind you would want. Now, let's check this. Okay, so I'm going to pour it in. And mix. And I'm serving this with jerk pork and naans tonight. I'm just going to put this in the fridge. Better taste it first, huh? Well, hi everybody. The segment I took of me tasting the salad, whether you really wanted to see that or not, that's fine. But it really is very, very good. So if you try this recipe or would like to know all the ingredients on their measurements, send me a message and I'll share it with you. Also, let me know what ingredients, what vegetables and that you put in yours, because I really think with the season coming on soon of our vegetables, like you could put tomatoes in there and cucumbers and all that, and peas. I can just think of tons of stuff. Let me know what you put in yours. All right, have a great day, and if you could like or subscribe, that would be wonderful. All right, bye.